so happy you're here. My name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. The last two vlogs were like Doha, Bangalore. I'm finally back in my room vlogging from my natural habitat. I woke up at like 8 and I've been on my feet all day. It's been a very hectic week. It's Wednesday, by the way. Tomorrow I'm doing... Is it Wednesday? No, it's Tuesday. Oh my god, never mind. It's Tuesday. Just Monday and Tuesday have been so hectic, like I can't keep tab. And I've been actually making my closet. That's a big life update actually. Hold on. Look. Wow. I made this drawer also which is again not too bad. Like some clothes are in such good condition and I don't feel like removing them, but I know that I haven't worn them in a long time, or it was like a wrong purchase or doesn't suit my body type. A lot of clothes have tags on them. I've been thinking about doing like a thrift thing because I have so many clothes. Not sure. Tell me in the comments if you would want anything from my closet. Cleaning is still in process. Tomorrow morning, I'm going for a shoot for a brand. I'm going to Juhu Beach at 7 a.m. I need to be there and I'm going to be kayaking. Yeah. I'm just gonna vlog like the next few days in my life. I actually don't know what's happening Thursday, Friday. I don't know what's happening in general. But I'm vlogging.
Hi Kritika.
Hi!
How's the day been?
Fun and very sunny.
So always sideways bet na, rotate yourself, go back and straight. It will be always on the right side. Like Kristen, वो मैम के साथ रेडी है. ये white में.
Good luck guys.
Hi guys, good morning. I woke up at 6:20. I was a little late actually. I reached late. I was supposed to wake up at 5:30. It's fine. It's okay. It happens. I managed to reach here at like 7:30 and we finished shooting for Lactic Calamine. I've done our outfit change also. We went kayaking already. I think Priya's vlogged everything. This is the whole team. This is everyone that's like teaching us how to kayak. Hello! And then there's more kayaks there. Yes, let's go. Ooh, wait, I'll make you meet someone. Ashi!
How was it?
Bro, I was
How was
stressing.
it?
I was actually like stressing the whole time.
Yeah.
I couldn't relax.
But it was good, right?
It was fun. It was an experience.
And it was like inside it was not scary at all. Here it was.
I didn't go only at night.
You didn't go inside.
I went till one
Go
point.
inside. I was there for 30 minutes.
Bro, yeah, you were not coming out only. I'm thinking, why is she not getting done? But it was fun.
Fun.
Fun, enjoy this. Shoot is done. It's a very hard-working team of mine. Girls have done a lot today, including me. I'm also just a girl. And now we're gonna leave. Let's get out of this lane. I don't know how. I've parked the car here. I don't know how we're gonna get out of this. But Tia is with me, so she can guide me because she's a pro driver.
Pro driver?
She's just learning now how to
Learning now.
drive. Let's
Yes.
take a break now.
Wow, this
For
is
1
actually
hour.
nice.
Bro, everyone looks good in this camera.
Oh, it's freezing.
At this point, I have been driving for so long. It's literally 12:30. We left from there at 11 something. I also drove there. It was a little far. It's a bit of a drive. Hello, it is the next day. I've been so bad at vlogging. Like, I saw my vlog camera lying on my table and realized that, oh my god, I have to vlog. I've been forgetting. Yesterday, I came back from the shoot, slept for like 2-3 hours. Like, I literally slept as if it was the middle of the night. Woke up, I finished some work. I had to shoot something for a brand. I've just left to get my nails done. Honestly, I wasn't going to because I literally just got these done. But it is so bad that I literally had to cut both of my thumbnails. The person I went to just did my nails so badly. And I need to get my nails done because I had to shoot. But I've just been so unhappy with it. Like every time I look at my nails, I'm like, oh. So I'm just gonna go and get them done again for my sanity. Oh my god, I love my nails. Woken up feeling so grateful. Guys, you know what? Since yesterday, actually, I think yesterday, was that yesterday? Wait, stop, pause. I need to get my thoughts together. But I have been getting so many cool opportunities, and everything is happening this weekend. Like, honestly, I have been kind of bummed because I feel like I've been working a lot, working really hard, doing my best, working towards the pod, working towards my YouTube, working towards my Instagram, and I was just like, why is nothing working out? But I've learned long term to just keep that thought aside and keep making content. First things first, tonight we are going to Lakme Fashion Week, and now y'all are gonna be like, Riya, what's the big deal? You've gone to Lakme Fashion Week so many times, but I will tell you, I am going with Meta for Meta Ray-Bans, and they are gonna be gifting me a Meta Ray-Ban, like the glasses that you can film with, and the vlogs coming are gonna be crazy because I'm gonna have those glasses, and also I get to sit front row in the Meta chair and film the whole Fashion Week event, which I think is such a crazy opportunity. I'm so excited. I still need to figure what to wear, what to do. Second thing happening, which is crazy, is on Sunday. I think you will see that vlog before you see this vlog. So if you've already seen that vlog, yay. But I got an invite to YouTube India x Mumbai Indians, which is, if you know, you know, that's insane for me. When we have a day like this, what is the first thing that we must do? Why are we in the kitchen? For coffee! This is my favorite sound. Cheers. Perfecto. I am on my way. I'm about to be there in 7 minutes. I have like properly dressed up. Like, look at my slick back bun. I've never done hair like this before. My jewelry. Outfit. So excited. I'm so excited, but I am so nervous because I don't know how to use the glasses. So I'm gonna have to learn ASAP. But yeah. Meta glasses secured. Say hi to Thea. Oh my god, the light. Hi. Yeah, let's go. Say hi. We finished our show. I'm not used to vlogging on the phone, but we finished our show and now we're gonna take pictures and then we're gonna go home. Barely vlogged, you guys, but so much was happening. It was so good. And we are done for the day. And Malav came to pick me up. So cute. And now we are gonna meet Vipasha because she's in Bombay. So yeah. Good morning. I'm at Cloud Studio, but this time I'm not here for a pod. I'm here for a shoot. Obviously, this is not a pod outfit at all. But we're gonna shoot and we have to shoot in many outfits. This is the first one. Wait, Thea will show you. Cute. I flipped it already. I think you all will understand the theme once you'll see it. Second outfit. White on white. Wow. Blue one. Hi. Oh, you're coming with work or what? Oh, okay. This is the fourth outfit. Fourth outfit done. Only 4 more to go. Guys, we're going barefoot in the bathroom. Suitcase that I've packed for my trip to Clout office.
It's a trip only 2 hours you drive and come.
Yeah, actually it's a trip, and also the number of outfits is a trip to Lonavala for 3 days. Look it. Cute. These are my mom's earrings. Fix it. Ooh. 2 coffees. I wasn't gonna have, but then you were having. Yeah. I was like, if someone's ordering coffee, then I'll have. Take over. Idea. Careful.
I'm careful. How are you feeling?
Last outfit. Done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll take it.
Yeah, we'll take. You can come back also and take it. Thoughts on the shoot, guys?
Done.
Amazing.
Too
Nice.
good.
Too good.
You made a new step.
Oh yeah.
Done it on the go.
Everyone
Amazing.
follow my dance.
Done.
Everything handmade.
Productivity max.
Yeah. That is my outfit. I am ready to go. I'm so tired. But I know once I get there, I'll feel better. I know I will feel better. So yeah, let's go. Also, look at my new earrings my cousin got for me. So cute she is. Dio, welcome back to Bombay. She's been here for a while. I just haven't vlogged with her.
Been for a month. I'm a little salted caramel, cookies
Yes,
and cream.
yes.
Are you have to choose one.
Oh. I thought you can make a mix box.
How many are you calling for?
Box of 8 I'm doing. Because
I can't eat
so it
more than
comes in 4.
Okay.
2 to each, perfect.
So,
No, 4. Yeah.
so four different.
Yeah. So 4.
Okay.
I'm doing milk chocolate. Then there's salted caramel, chocolate caramel, cookies and cream, coffee mocha, dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate and milk chocolate.
Yeah.
I also.
I
don't want dark chocolate.
I love dark chocolate.
I want some sugar.
You just said no sugar or something like that.
She said if she had to give up, she would give up sugar but not amras.
amras.
Yeah.
And I'm calling for one mousse also, chocolate mousse.
Oh yeah. Then don't get 2 chocolate flavors. Get some other salted caramel or cookies and cream or something.
Yeah.
Wait, there is no
Salted
chocolate
caramel.
mousse, I think. It's out of stock.
There's no
Sorry,
chocolate
guys.
mousse.
Oh my god.
Wait, chocolate mousse is there.
Okay. Cool. Oh, that looks far. She's trying to adjust the lights for the vlog. Guys, tell her it's okay. It's okay, Dia. This looks fire. What were you doing?
See, I'm telling you straight.
Yeah, I do.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. What is this? Tiny tubs.
Yeah, tiny tub.
Tiny tub.
Camera, I'm not stupid.
Okay.
Why
Let's
do you
try.
have a Fujifilm camera?
This is what we're trying right now. Okay. Come on.
Yeah, have you had
Chocolate mousse, na? Take a bite while you're talking, na? So we can all try it. Cheers.
good?
Fire.
Love you, bye.
Oh yeah, you said. Wow. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, the whole thing.
It's dark chocolate mine.
Milk.
Yours is milk?
Mm.
Yours is milk?
Dark.
Which line did you take yours from?
I took from this.
Mine is
From
dark.
this.
Oh,
You had milk.
Mine is milk. Mine is sweet.
I don't know.
I took from here.
I'm
You know, the other one
confused.
didn't
I don't know, yeah.
Now, when he was holding onto the car, I didn't understand. I think you took
It too fast. Continue because we had to follow that.
car. He's like,
I am genuinely so sorry that you guys have to put up with this bad habit of mine of never filming an outro when I'm actually vlogging, because this is so much later and I'm just happy I got this vlog up in time, honestly. I don't know the struggle that's gone behind it, but honestly, now that I just edited this vlog, I remember how I felt during that week, and honestly it was just such a wholesome week for me because so many opportunities that I didn't find myself worthy of came my way, and I realized that sometimes when you feel like you're not enough, the universe makes you feel like you are enough, and that is the truth, you know, that's the real side of things. Yeah, I'm really happy with the way the whole week went down. I've been praying and working for some of these opportunities for really long. Feels good. That's it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm really trying to get to 200k, so get me there, please. And I will see you next week, Friday, with another vlog. Mostly I'm gonna do a weekend in my life vlog because enough work now. Let's do some musty. So yeah, I'll see you then. Bye guys, love you.